sa buhay ng ating viewers. Most especially our parents and the family. But we would like to acknowledge also ang ating pwede po ba natin bigyan ng malakas sa mga baka ng mga nito ay bilang natin? Come on! Because from this day forward, they are so called that home alone, pangalawang magulang ng ating bagong kasal. And we are very honored to be with you. But for this afternoon, guys, naniniwala ako na dapat ang pinakamaganda at pinakagwapo ngayong araw na ito, walang iba, kundi ang mag-asawa. Tama po ba yun? Yes, kasi it's your special day. Kaya yun po, in just 1 minute, nandito na sila here is having their retouch para talagang fresh, the fresh, ang ating couple.